Hey YouTube, welcome back to Making Data Useful with Adam. Quick video to say big thanks for the 10,000 subscribers. You guys are the best. Obviously our next target should be something crazy like 20,000, I don't know. I'm currently away from where I normally record in Australia. I'm actually in Italy at the moment, in Ostuni. So I'm going to use some of this time to do some planning rather than make a whole bunch of videos with really poor audio quality. But I need your help. I would love to hear from you what you'd like to see more of, even what you'd like to see less of. Drop a comment. I'm going to flash up on the screen some ideas that I've got while I take you on a bit of a walking tour of Ostuni in Italy. So thanks so much. You'll be hearing from me real soon. And don't forget, we've got our daily quizzes for the month of June. So make sure you answer those and I'll catch you in the next video.